half a Supra.
Saw those clips of the car, but it is completely taken apart. I took off the front bumper, the rear bumper, headlights, tail lights, all the side lights that go in the rear. Took the wheels off, took the wing apart, took the interior on the trunk setup. I took all that out. Door cards are off. Yeah, it's like if I took 10 steps forward and then 10 steps back. The car looks worse than whenever we picked it up, but it should be the last time that I take it all apart, hopefully. Right, baby? Are you excited to see your car change?
Can't wait for you guys to see the wrap that's going to go on it.
Yeah, it's a really, really nice color. I think she did a great job on the color choice.
Turn. Now go straight. So time to start working on it. Right now what he's doing, he's actually trying to mark all the dents that the car has, which it has lots of them. He had to rinse down the car. The car had been really dirty. I hadn't washed the car in quite some time, but now he's trying to mark all the dents, and they should get an idea of everything that he's gonna have to do. I mean, the car has quite a few dents. I mean, maybe to you guys may have not noticed just because the way I post the pictures, the way I do the videos. But I mean, for example, there's a dent here. I mean, he's the master behind it, so he'll find a lot of things that I don't know about. I wouldn't have even known that was there. Damn. I didn't even know all this was there.
These are all what we can see, and then when we do the guide code, we can really see everything.
And he just showed me right here that basically you use the sun and you follow the line, and I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but the hood is actually folded down here with that dent.
You can look at it straight right here. There's a dent right there, but you can't see it. But if you come right here to the side and you just catch it just right, you can see it right here.
Yeah, there it is.
So, I mean, it's got quite a bit.
See?
Well, most of them out.
How long you been working on these cars, dude? I mean, not these cars, but like just doing body work already?
Shit, off and on. 10 years.
Probably more than that, right?
And more.
Yeah, so, because I mean, he went to school for this, and he, you know, this is what he's going to take on, and then he got into the oil field, and that just kind of changed everything now.
Yeah.
So, I don't know if you guys have any family in the oil field, but, you know, it's just a different lifestyle. But he's been doing this, you know, like you said, off and on, and, I mean, he knows his stuff, man. I mean, a lot of these dents, I didn't even know they were on the car. But, I mean, that's why you leave this kind of stuff to a professional. I know a lot of you guys told me to do the body work myself, but I have no idea what the hell I would have been doing, and I wouldn't have caught 80% of these dents. And you know, he knows how to do this, so gotta let him take care of it. Time to get down and dirty. Yeah, so he's actually the one that painted my clips white. Well, you guys know right now it's red, but the real color is white. And whenever he was doing the body work on it, some lady, well, it all started because that lady backed into me at grandma's house, right?
Yeah.
Some lady backed into my car, and then it like cracked. It didn't bend, it cracked. So then we started taking off the Bondo, and it was like, man, probably half an inch to an inch of Bondo. It was pretty crazy. All right, so he's using these things here.
Studs.
Studs.
Stud welder.
Stud welder.
Pulls the dents out.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Before they used to drill holes and pull them out.
Which is probably what they did over here on this side, right?
Yeah.
Because this fender here has a bunch of little holes.
Yeah, this is better. Well, you don't create rust holes and stuff like that.
So you guys can see. That's crazy. Y'all still want to buy a Supra? Car.
Or any old car.
Or any old car that's made in the 90s?
Yeah.
I mean,
Look at that one there. That's a hell of a.
yeah, this truck here, it's a little dusty right
Not
now,
bad.
but I mean, if you guys see it when it's clean, it is amazing. But it didn't look like this whenever it first got here, right?
It's been sitting there for 2 years.
Yeah, so sad.
Maybe the owner will see this video and we can
Come
pick his shit up.
Shit, if not, I might have to take it. A new boosted project truck. This baby right here is real dusty. I mean, it's a, you know, he does body work here, so it's normal for it to be dusty. But the paint is amazing. This is all original. I don't know if you guys can see, but that paint is beautiful. But the best thing about this truck here is this. Boom. This is big boy stuff here. This is this ain't no LS or no 350. This is a big motor. So my brother restored a 1979 Trans Am, And whenever he first got it, I mean, you guys probably would have thought it was a car that belonged in the junkyard. Well, I mean, even though the car's been sitting outside here for a while, I mean, my brother's like super busy. I don't know if you guys can tell, but he's got a lot of projects going on. And not only that, he's like building another house, and my brother's got a lot on his hands. But this car here that I'm fixing to show you, whenever he first brought it, it looked like it was gonna go to a junkyard, man. It's insane. And he did a complete restoration. I'm talking about inside and outside, drivetrain, motor, everything. Look at this 1979 Trans Am, similar to, you guys ever seen Smokey and the Bandit? This is a car like that right here. It's got T-tops, it's got ostrich interior. He was gonna do an a digital dash, but man, he hasn't gotten the time to get to it. But this car is amazing. And the best part, man, just like that truck, check this out. See that beautiful eagle? Look at that. This is an LS motor. Fully functional. Everything on the car, it drives. And I mean, he actually drove it from Fort Worth out here to Weatherford. Man, you guys imagine a turbo here and a turbo there, or maybe one big turbo. Man, this car would be something else. And he did this complete restoration all on his own, 100%. He did the paint and body, he did the engine, interior, everything. He did it all. As y'all know, like I've told y'all before, he's the reason why I started doing so much work to my cars on my own. Because I mean, he basically set the example. He's been doing this stuff since he was probably like 15. He's definitely a good person to follow, you know. He's laying a good foundation for his little girls, and even for me, because I mean, I try to do everything myself too. I mean, if he's doing it, he's telling me I can do it, well then I can. Same for you guys can do it too. Look at this one. This is a good story on this one. Whenever he brought this car home, I think even mom and dad got mad when you brought this car, right?
Yeah, I had chickens living on it.
Yeah, it had like chickens inside of it. I mean, this is probably like the worst condition car that I had ever seen in my life, even worse than Trans Am. And I remember when I was younger, I would get into the trunk on the car and we were like sanding down all the rust. And man, like I said, unfortunately the car's just sitting here, but this is a candy apple red. I mean, all he's got to do is wash it up and polish it and it'll look shit. Even for how long it's been here, dude, it still looks like it, with a good wash, it looked really good.
12-year-old paint.
Yeah, 12 years old. He painted this car whenever he was in college. Candy apple red, right?
Brandy wine, candy.
Brandy wine.
What's that shit though?
Yeah, this is another car he redid. I mean, he's got a lot more cars. My brother's, he's like, I mean, if you guys think I have a lot of cars, he's like times 10. But he's got a lot of nice old cars, a lot of good project cars that are worth a lot of money. But just like everything else, I mean, I have the other Supra, my Mustang, the Eclipse. It's hard to work on all the cars at all the time, so you know, you do what you can.